Today's portrait is all about the beautiful, wonderful American Bulldog named Darla. I was approached by a client of mine to memorialize Darla in a painting as a surprise anniversary gift for their spouse. Secret commissions always hold a very special place in my heart and are truly one of my favorite requests for paintings. Not only are you working directly with your client and working hard to create their vision, but you also know that when this beautiful gift is received, you are providing a family with a lifetime of memories and laughter. I always hope that my memorial paintings provide an escape from the grief and instead turn the sadness one feels when we lose a fur family member into fond memories of them and their incredible lifetime with us. While working through this portrait and getting to know my client even better, I realized how devoted Darla was to her best friend, her mom, and how much Darla loved her family. Seeing the photographs and messages from my client about Darla's lifetime with them really gave me insight into this beautiful dog and how I wanted to portray her in this painting. Beautiful, stoic, and strong, a protector for their family, Darla had the most expressive face and, of course, personality. Those eyes were an incredible treat to paint, and some of the most lifelike eyes I've been able to accomplish in my painting so far. Darla is and always will be an absolute beautiful dog. Now, just as in any painting, I did find myself some challenges within this portrait. Darla's fur is incredibly unique. A mixture of brindle and fawn, capturing her beauty took a lot of confidence and definitely a lot of my patience. There were a few techniques used throughout her fur pattern and definitely at times had me second guessing my abilities and my decisions. I appreciated the challenge and felt as though after this portrait I improved as a painter and overall as an artist. Now, I would love to turn this little chat over to you. What are your favorite aspects of painting pets? Is there one specific thing that brings you joy, or the experience as a whole? And maybe, do you offer commissions? And if you don't, why not? I always love to hear from you and get to know you better. And this community, just a little note, is continuing to grow, and I am so grateful. So thank you for the love and all of your heartfelt comments. Commissions have definitely changed my business and have definitely impacted my growth, and I feel as though this could be an entire video in itself. So if you're interested and want to see how I started making commissions, let me know down below and I will love to cover this in another video. All right, and there you have it. That is it for the memorial portrait for the beautiful Darla. A big shout out to our channel sponsors Chartpak, Grumbacker, and Molotov for sponsoring today's video, as well as my content here on YouTube and on Twitch. Their links can be found in the description box below, as well as places to purchase their products for your own art toolkit. And last but not least, a big thank you to you for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. And of course, if you are new here, welcome to our family. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.